FSTA, the premier information database for the sciences of food and health, for efficient, effective searching and results you can trust. Here we share some tips for how you can use filters to refine a basic search and find the information you need when using FSTA on EBSCO. Begin with a keyword search as a first step to finding articles on your topic. Some results will be right on target, while others may not be quite what you want. Use the checkboxes on the left side of the screen to filter your results. You can customize your publication date range, choose a source type, and even limit to a particular publication title. Or you may want to focus your results by using an additional keyword to describe your topic. Open the subject filter to see the most common keywords related to your search and click Show More for more options. Filtering your results will net a smaller group of articles tailored to your specific interest. The subject filter words are a good place to look for keywords and phrases to try in a second search. Subject keywords come from the FSTA thesaurus, which is the most comprehensive food and beverage thesaurus in the world. Keyword indexing in FSTA is always from a food perspective, making it efficient to carry out food-focused research, even if you are searching across multiple disciplines. Changing your keywords will change your results, so try a few combinations until you get exactly what you need.